Hello students, welcome back and time for the solution. Hopefully you have done this successfully, but let's see how to do this. First of all, I'm creating a variable dim. Okay, so in this variable I'm going to count how many sheets are there already in this workbook, and then it's going to be stored in this. I'm going to apply a logical function now. If it's less than or equal to 10, if the sheet counts are, then sheets dot add, else message box need to come, you can't create more than 10 sheets. Also, I'm going to give a critical sign. It will give a critical sign, and it's not compulsory to give, but if you will give, it's good. And this is it. Now I can run it with the help of this button, but I'm going to apply a button. So for this I'm going to insert shape, take a shape, make it like a box, go to your any format shape style which you like, and type the text directly. You can give any format which you want. Right click, assign macro, and this is the macro name. Actually it is randomly written GHHE. Okay, fine. Okay, we can give this, not an issue. Right click, assign macro, and I'm going to assign this particular macro. That's it. Going to run this. Okay, new sheet has been created. Now there are 10 sheets. It's not going to create, and this is the button which you are seeing here. It's a critical button, the option that we have given. So this is how this need to be done. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.